Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a profile icon and cover to your account on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below, and after that you should tap on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile button below the search bar and scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and after that you should click on the set profile icon and cover button. Here you have two sections. First, the profile icon. You have three options. You can either take a picture with your phone, select one from your library, or use your avatar. As you click on the open camera button, you should click on continue, tap on settings, then you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to allow the application to have access to your camera and microphone. As you go back to the application, you will be able to take a picture and set it as your profile icon. So repeat the same steps. Now take a picture, then click on done, and it will be set as your profile photo. You can also set a profile cover, again clicking on the photo button, click on done, and it will be set as your cover picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.